Hi guys, so we are talking about the best site to earn money sharing your internet. The best two sites to earn money sharing your internet. So the first app, let's go. The first app, so this app pays you sharing your internet. This particular app pays you sharing your internet. So then if you sign up, they're going to give you $1, $1 using my link to sign up. So can you see it? I already use 5 gig MB. It pays you sharing your internet with them, referring people, you collect commission, and the minimum payout is $5. The minimum payout is $5. This is the best app sharing your internet. So if you want to start sharing your internet, if you off this, it will stop. So if you on it back, it will start working. Guys, it start working, it will start counting your money. So depending on the gigabyte you use. So if you use 5 gigabytes is $1, 10 gigabytes $2, 15 gigabytes $3, 20 gigabytes $4, 25 gigabytes is what? $5. So when you get to 25 gigabytes is $5. So you make your what request for payment. So it pay, if you press, can you see, 5 is the minimum payout. So they pay you to your PayPal, Paytm, Bitcoin. So to collect money inside your Bitcoin, you need to download Binance app. The app is called Binance. So I'm gonna put the link of this Binance under this videos. So you see it there, and the link of the name of this app, the link under the video. So you sign up. So the second app, let's go to the second app. The second app. This app also pays you sharing your internet. So when you use this app, it pays you more. So agree, sign in, to sign in your account. So you log in your account. So when you log in your account, you can see it, you allow. Open a setting. So when you allow the app, what, you go back to the app. So you what, start earning now. So when you start earning, can you see it? They'll give you $5 bonus when you use my referral link to sign up. They'll give you $5 bonus. So the minimum withdraw, the minimum payout of this site is $20. So in a day you can make $5 sharing your internet using VPN. So I prefer you using VPN. You can use Stack VPN, Lord VPN, Turbo VPN, so that 111 VPN. So when you use VPN, your internet will get more faster. The more this graph goes up, the more you earn. The more it goes up, the more you earn. So that's all about this site. The more you earn, the more it goes up. Your balance, and when you refer somebody, you're going to earn commission per referral and bonus. So you are going to answer offers. There are a lot of offers you need to answer. So when you answer it, you are going to earn a lot in this. So thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share these videos for more.